So, good morning. My name is Pragati Gotala. As my topic is the topic that I've chosen is globalization and its effects in terms of inequality and poverty in the third world countries. So, as we know, globalization it is integration among the world economies through monetary and economical activities that takes place with the constant progress in global investments. So it has positive and negative impacts across, but as per my research, the third world countries, as we know, are the poor and underdeveloped countries. So globalization has made a very negative impact in such countries. Uh, the wages of the rich people in the first world countries, their wages are 40 to 50 times more than the wages in the third world countries. So you can see the difference. uh, if you talk about Africa, a third world country, underdeveloped, which because of the globalization, it led to emergence of authoritative regimes that actually took away the negotiation ability of the country. So it was ideally meant for the betterment, but then later the economical and financial status of the country just collapsed. So uh, if you talk about the wages, there's a lot of wages disparity seen because of globalization, especially in the third world countries. So as there's a difference between the skilled and unskilled laborers, there's a difference of wages between the skilled and unskilled laborers. So usually because of the wages disparity, the poor people in the people in the third world countries, because of the lesser wages, they usually move overseas for better salaries and better opportunities. Because of the globalization, the modern countries, they provide more of opportunities and more of modern technologies. So this has constantly been increasing the wages disparity. So the countries which are growing, while the third world countries which are not growing are staying stagnant. If you talk about Austria, Latin America, it has been growing at a very fast pace. Then if you talk about the European countries, so now talking about the poverty line has drastically really uh, in a problem uh, in the third world country. So as per the World Bank, in the third world countries, the wages are less than $1 per day. And around almost 1 billion people are having lesser, are poor across the world. So uh, this is due to globalization. um, so the country usually what happens is there's the inflow and outflow of capital in the third world country is not like it is in the bigger countries. The third world countries, they have like the export of the materials is lesser than the import because of the lack of technologies again. So because of this, they don't get, they compete with the first world countries. um, so this leads to the difference across the globe. So, as per my understanding, that the inequality and poverty does not come with the gender or place or job. It is all done through boundaries. Uh, so globalization is doing tremendously good for the economy, but again, everything good comes with a price. So this is the price they are paying. This is the price they're paying. Uh, the rich countries are growing at a good pace, while the poor countries, they will still take time with this growing world. So that's all my research is. Thank you so much.